back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious slow cooker recipe, a pot roast that I know you guys are going to love and is perfect for this fall and winter time. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And moist pot roast, these are the ingredients. I have bay leaves, garlic cloves, rosemary, tomato sauce, all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, thyme, garlic powder, smoked paprika, ground cumin, chuck roast beef, 1 onion, carrots, celery, chicken broth, Worcestershire sauce, and of course, 1 cup of red wine. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing pot roast at home. Perfect for fall and perfect for winter. So let's get started. I want to start preparing the chuck roast. 1 tablespoon of all the spices. We want to make sure that we cover the whole piece of meat. This is very important. You really want the meat to absorb all those amazing spices. Let me tell you, once you make this pot roast at home, you're really going to enjoy it. What happened? Put it aside and let it rest to absorb all those amazing and delicious spices. I have 4 garlic cloves that I am going to dice very well. I want the garlic to release all the amazing flavor. And here I want to continue with the celery. I'm only removing the edges and then just chopping away. Of course, I'm going to transfer it to a plate and I'm going to continue with the onion. I'm using 1 whole medium onion. I'm going to take the skin off. I'm going to chop away in small little pieces. And then, of course, the carrots. I am going to do the same thing with the carrots. The combinations of the veggies, oh my gosh, really give this amazing meat such a delicious and amazing flavor. Once your carrots are nice and peeled, you took away the skin off, cut them through the center, and then just chop away. Look at this. I'm going to transfer everything to a plate, and I have the veggies ready. Onion, celery, and the carrots. And of course, the meat is really absorbing all those amazing spices. Let's go to the stove. On the skillet, I am going to add a little bit of oil. I'm going to saute all the veggies for about 5 minutes. I really want to wake up those amazing flavors of the veggies, adding a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt. Remember, salt is to taste, my family. Once you saute it for 5 minutes, then you're ready to add it to the slow cooker. Look at this. Let me tell you, fall, winter is around the corner. Let's make and let's enjoy this amazing pot roast. After you've cooked it for about 5 minutes, add everything to your slow cooker. Look at this. On the same pan, I am going to sear and lock all the juices of the chuck roast. The veggies are on the bottom. These are going to be the bed
for the pot roast. Look at this. Once I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, I am going to add the piece of the chuck roast on the top. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to sear it for about 4 minutes on each side. Look at this. You want to really get it nice and crispy so that all the juices stay inside the meat. Once this is nice and seared from both sides, we are going to lay it on top of all the veggies. Look how amazing this looks. Easy to prepare. You make everything, leave it for 6 to 8 hours in slow cook, and it's going to be amazing. I added half a stick of unsalted butter. I'm adding the all-purpose flour. I am going to add the garlic, diced garlic, tomato puree, the chicken bouillon, and of course, I am going to add the red wine and Worcestershire sauce. Look at this. Once it cooks for about 10 minutes and it's nice and thick, I'm laying my bay leaves, laying my thyme, adding my rosemary. Oh my gosh. This is going to be amazing, delicious, and you're going to love it. After you add everything in here, let's cook it for 6 to 7 hours in slow cook. Look at this. I'll see you back. While this is cooking, it's almost going to be 6 hours. I am going to make my rice. I'm going to add 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of corn, frozen corn. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of boiling water. My rice is going to take about 15 minutes to cook. Remember, always add hot boiling water. Cover it, let it simmer until it's completely done. After the 6 hours, I'm going to check my meat. I am going to see if I could pull it apart. If I am able to pull it apart with the forks, this is done, my family. Look at this. The aroma of this pot roast has invaded my kitchen. Moist, delicious, pull apart meat. I can't wait to enjoy. Of course, adding my rice, being very generous with my presentation plate, and I can't wait to enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I am ready to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Look how easy it pulls apart. Really moist, really delicious, and my mouth is watering. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing pot roast. This is just delicious. Of course, I added white rice and corn, but this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. Amazing. The meat is so moist, so juicy, pulls apart, and the veggies, just gorgeous. Let me tell you, fall and winter are around the corner. And of course, the holidays are here. Let's make this amazing pot roast at home. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying amazing pot roast made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.